But I think that I'm tripping, I've been sipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep giving and I keep giving, you know.
Hey loves, I'm back with another hair video. I know it's been a long time since I've recorded, but a lot of stuff has happened since the last time I recorded. I apologize if you hear some noise in the background. I don't know if y'all gonna hear it or not, but I am in my bathroom, and until I find like another place to record, I'm gonna be recording in my bathroom, and there is like a noise in here. So if y'all hear that, I'm sorry. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this hair that I got in my head. And no, this is not no virgin hair. I didn't get this from She's Happy Hair or AliExpress or none of that. This is some human synthetic blend hair. I've had this hair in my head for a week. It's been exactly a week. This is the Premium Purple Pack Brazilian Boutique hair, and it's the human hair premium blend. It comes with 3 bundles and a deep lace closure. The 3 bundles, well, the inches of the 3 bundles that I got was the 18, 20, and 22 inch. And I put mostly all of this hair in it. This is a wig that I made. I will have some clips to show you guys how I made my wig. I apologize if there are any like weird angles. Usually when I make my wigs, I'll get up and like sit at a table and make my wigs. But I was lazy when I was making this wig, so I made it in the bed, and it was kind of hard to like get the angles to film for you guys. So I'm sorry if there's any weird angles or whatever. So here what I've done is I flipped my wig cap inside out, and I glued 1 track to the band of the cap. And the reason why I did that is because when I put it up in a ponytail, it's gonna camouflage the band. Next, you'll see me sewing the closure on. This is actually the only thing that I sewed onto the wig cap. Everything else was glued. For the rest of the wig, I used hair glue to glue the tracks from left to right. I tried to put all of the bundles and the closure in here. I'm gonna show y'all how much hair I have left. So this is how much hair I have left. I just tied it up together. This is not all one length, but yeah, this is how much hair I have left from the whole thing. Like, I try to put all the hair in there. Like, I love big hair, so I try to put all the hair in there. The wefts are kind of thin, but I mean, this is synthetic hair, so of course the wefts are going to be thin. But as you can see, the hair, like once you put it on your head, the hair is full. I do have a little bit of my natural hair left out. Let me show y'all. Like, yeah, I have this much of my natural hair left out. You do not have to leave your natural hair out. You could just, since it does come with a lace closure, you can put it on as like, you know, a closure wig with no hair left out. I chose to leave my hair out because my favorite style is the flip over style, and I wanted to be able to like put it up in a ponytail and do like, I wanted it to be as versatile as possible, so I left my hair out and I put the closure on, because with the closure, it's a middle part closure, so if I wanted to wear my hair in the middle part, I will be able to do so because of the closure. Now, speaking of the closure, when I first got the closure was very skimpy, but I just plucked the closure and I added some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Dark Cocoa. I put that in the part, and I'm gonna go off camera and do my hair in the middle part, and then I'll let you guys see like how realistic the closure looks. Alright, so this is it in the middle part. It's not perfect, but it looks way better than what it was looking like at first. And I'm just gonna like zoom in so y'all can see the part. Alright, so this is how we looking. This is the part, as you can see. This is the closure right here, and this is my natural part. Now if I scoot it up some, you know, play with it a little bit, it does look somewhat natural, you know. You play with it a little bit, but it looks way better than what it was looking like at first. With this being a synthetic closure, it's not terrible. Like, usually synthetic hair comes, well, it's not all the way synthetic, it's a human synthetic blend, but most of the time when you get hair with any type of synthetic in it, it's gonna come with those circle closures, you know, those little small circle closures that don't nobody really like, that go like in the back of your head. It does not come with a lace or lace closure. So being that this is synthetic hair, I feel like the closure is nice. You just have to pluck it and put some concealer or some foundation or something like that on the closure and you should be good. Alright, so let's talk about tangling. This hair doesn't tangle that bad. I will say I do get a few tangles, but this is not like any other synthetic hair I've ever had with tangling. Usually when the synthetic hair be tangling, it's hard to like comb the tangles out or whatever. If you get any type of tangles or snags in this hair, all you have to do is brush it out, and I promise you it will leave instantly. Like, I've never had no synthetic hair. Well, the Bobbi Boss hair that I reviewed, the purple hair that I reviewed, that hair was like this. Like, when it gets tangled, all you have to do is brush it a couple times and the tangles are gone. So that's another thing I love about this hair. I'm not sure if I said the price about this hair already or not, but I paid $30 for it. I got it out of my local beauty supply store, but I'm pretty sure that you can find it online. If I find the link, I will definitely put the link down below, so be looking out for that. I have not flat iron this hair. This is the hair in its natural state. I'm gonna get a little closer for you guys. It's got the crimps. You know how when you get like, you know how when you get braiding hair and it comes with those crimps, it's got those crimps in it. I'm not a huge fan of that. When you're standing far from it, like while I'm looking at myself in the camera now, I don't notice it, but like when you get up close to the hair, you will notice the crimps. So you can flat iron it if you want to get those crimps out. One thing I will say though, with synthetic hair, once you flat iron it, it looks like synthetic hair. I don't know if this hair does that or not, because I have not flat ironed it. When I get tired of it looking like this, I probably will flat iron it, so I may do like another video for you guys, or I may curl it. If I do curl it or flat iron it, I will do another video for you guys. The length on this hair is really nice. As I stated, I got the 18, 20, and 22, and it stops past my boobs, which I got big boobs, so if you got smaller boobs, it's probably gonna be even longer on you. But yeah, I do love the length. I think this may be the longest synthetic hair I've ever had. I think it's cute. Overall, I'll give it an 8 out of 10, simply because the feel of it, it's not soft, but it's not rough either. It's like in between. It's in between soft and rough. It doesn't feel like human hair. I will say that it doesn't feel like human hair. It does. You can tell that it's got some synthetic in it. That and then the crimps in it would be the only cons that I have right now. Everything else is a pro. I would definitely recommend you to get this hair. See if you have it in your local beauty supply store. If you don't, I'll be supplying you guys with a link. This hair does not shed much. The only shedding I personally got from this hair was when I plucked it. That was the only shedding that I got from this hair. And I did cut my wefts. I don't know if you saw that in clips or not, but I did cut my wefts. Yeah, so I think that may be all for this video. I like this hair. I recommend you get this hair. I've had it for a week and it still looks, feels, smells, acts just like it did when I got it out of the pack. So It's some good hair for a cheap price. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys go out and get you this hair because it's cute and I want you to slay like me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Money in the bank, need no cheat, face on beat, hair